Bo Jones. I come from 25 years in the construction industry, doing residential and commercial construction here in Lincoln. We have a mid-sized team of about 25 individuals on staff, and we do projects ranging from single-family home construction all the way up to large multifamily complexes. The construction industry, much like other industries, is facing a labor shortage. And with this, we came up with an idea that is careerpathway.com. And you can think of careerpathway.com as a social media platform, but for the purpose of helping students and job seekers find their path to their career. What we do is we give businesses and organizations a platform where they can post their own content. This can be photos and videos that share with students and job seekers what it is they do, why their career is important, how to get to their career, and the things that they need to know and some advice to get there. As the students are looking through this information from these organizations and these professionals, we're doing something kind of cool. We're building them a resume and a portfolio. The resume helps them clearly identify what it is they're interested in, and it shows them the next steps to get to that career path.
So one of the interesting challenges about this product was that it needed to appeal to two different audiences. First, businesses that wanted to help students find their way and eventually recruit them into their businesses. And then secondly, to students who were seeking to figure out what they wanted to do for their career. And so to build a product that could be appealing to two audiences, we had this challenge that you had to build for two different audiences, provide them both value, and also provide them both value at the same time in order for the platform to start to grow and take hold.
Throughout the build with the Don't Panic Labs team, we worked with several different groups, several different team members, if you will, within Don't Panic Labs. The first group was the UX group, the user experience, and they took the general concept of the idea that we had and they turned it into a pitch deck. And that pitch deck allowed us to have something to go out and interview potential users, students and educators and professionals, to see what their interaction would be with the platform. And from there, it created the ideas, it helped us to formulate what it is that we actually wanted to build before we started building it. So we didn't waste any time, and we had a very clear plan on what to do.
Ideas are always to some degree right, but the question is, how right are they? And can we go learn and evolve them? I actually have a video about this very topic. And so one of the things that Bo did really well was take those initial ideas and put them in front of students and businesses. And he was able to do this at a really rapid rate. And we were able to get validation on some of the things that were appealing. We were able to find out some things that we weren't thinking about, and we were able to discover some new possibilities all before we built the platform.
Once we knew we had the plan, once we knew the direction we wanted to go, the developers came in and they put together the plan on how to build the back end, the database, and tie everything together to turn it into a functional platform that we have today that is careerpathway.com. It's one thing to have an idea, but you must be prepared to get in front of people. So you have to share your vision, you have to share your story with a bunch of people that could be users for your platform to see if it would resonate with them, to see if there's an audience for your product. The overall intent of careerpathway.com is that students and job seekers have the ability to search for whatever career options that they have interest in. And we show them the paths to get there through college and through the profession. Maybe this leads to 2 or 3 more years of productivity in their career. Maybe they get to retire earlier. Maybe there's less student loan debt. Maybe there's less mental health issues. Whatever this turns into, we hope that it's the best for the students and the job seekers, and ultimately, the professionals on the backside, the businesses, get a more engaged and more interested workforce that has clearly identified their career as their path.